Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are the Sawyer crew, and on today's video we're going to take you guys on another camping adventure. And where are we going at, you guys?
Disney World.
Disney World. We go there every other year, and we'll be staying at Disney World's resort campground. It's called Fort Wilderness. So we're going to get all the amenities of Disney World, but at a campground. So I'm excited. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you share, you comment down below, and everything else, and enjoy the video. Right, we made it to our campsite. Now we're going to pull in and get everything hooked up. Henry knows what to do by now. He's really good at it. So we're excited to get out and kind of do a little exploring. I think the boys, are you guys going to the pool, Ethan?
Yep.
You think so? Okay. Let's get this thing backed up. Right, we're hooking everything up, getting our area prepped to make it livable for us. I'm not in a rush.
Hey, Dad. Hey, this one open. So it will open?
Don't kick into neutral mid-route.
Okay.
That happens a lot.
No.
Your charger's on the back of the passenger side here.
Okay.
We recommend charging it overnight, but if it gives you any trouble at all, just try and bring it back up here or find your nearest cast member.
Okay, sounds good.
Whatever.
You ready, Ethan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you feel, Mom? Good. Feeling good. Ready to see you guys get inside the pool.
Yep.
Nice, dude. Smells good. Well, kind of.
All right, we are in the Meadows swimming pool area. If you see the sign behind us, the Meadows swimming pool. And in this same area, it's like a little eatery shop where you can get something to eat, burgers, fries. And then also it's a Daniel Boone's arcade for the kids to come around and play. So it's really nice. It has a splash center for the smaller ones, and then it has a slide and the pool over here. So it's really nice. And Henry did a great job getting us here safely.
And it's very convenient, the pool, because it only go to
3 feet 9 inches. So you have small kids, and they have lifeguards here as well. So
But I was talking about you driving us here in the
yeah.
RV. Getting back to that.
that's what I do.
Yeah. See, you give somebody an inch, what they do? Take a mile or two.
I've been driving miles.
Oh boy, oh boy. But he got us here safely. I'm grateful to God, grateful for him. So today I think we're just gonna let the kids chill out at the pool, and then we're gonna see what they're doing at the movie screen area, because they have like the s'mores and movie night. So we did that last time we came here. So I'm gonna go home and make a grilled salad for everybody, and then hopefully we can go down there and eat on their s'mores.
Sounds good.
Sounds like a plan.
Here, put your hands together for the stars of the show. The leader of the club that's made for you and me. Hey, MSC. Hey there, hi there, ho there. You're as welcome as can be. You told me the other day this is our show. We don't want to hear about the dog. We'll sing out Chip and Dale. Let's try. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Forever this whole other's high.
All right, the boys had a great time at the pool area, playing ping pong and just chilling out. So I'm gonna get these chicken breasts, I'm gonna grill them, and then we're gonna have some grilled chicken salad. Like this grilled chicken over a bed of lettuce. So let's get it started. Hollywood Studios was good. We left the boys back at the RV. And me and Henry, we're going to spend some quiet time. Well, not really quiet time, but some grown folks time together. We're going to support a friend. He's a stand-up comedian, and his name is Nick Harvey. If you've never heard of him before, go ahead and Google him, YouTube him, book him for your event. Really nice guy, beautiful family. So we're going to go out there and enjoy him and then get back to the boys. Maybe we might go out to eat. I don't know. Mrs. Sawyer might treat me. We'll see.
It's wild, man. I think my 2-year-old, he wake up every morning, he go, you know what? I'm about to taste everything in this house. I don't care about your excuses. You're gonna accomplish your goals and dreams, you gotta execute. So I sell these shirts after the show. These shirts are $30, well, $30 to $1,000. I like to give people options. You know what I'm saying?
All right, we're up and swinging. Last night after we ate, we came in and we went to bed. So we let the boys sleep in, and it's about 8 o'clock. The park opened up to us because we're staying at the resort. It opened up to us at 7 o'clock. But we just probably won't get out there probably until like 9-ish. So, because I'm gonna cook breakfast, and we gotta clean up this RV because the boys been living La Vida Loca. So we're gonna get things straightened up, and then we'll head out to the park.
We're getting ready to fix some sandwiches for the park. I know it's plenty of times that we go out there and it's snack time, but we don't want to just spend money every day on their food. So we have a snack so we can keep rolling. So we're making some sandwiches for everyone, and we'll have it for the park.
Yeah, you can roll right in there.
Roll Dad in.
Right over there to that corner there. There you go.
Thank you.
Baby.
Oh
my God. Yeah.
In the middle.
And those last three rows are all yours, guys. Yeah, Ben. I don't know if you saw it.
Look at that human is showing off that nice close shave, and they're also going to buy churros for everyone. Yeah, give it up for that human. Oh, don't be modest. Don't be modest. Yeah, everyone look for that human after the show. Make sure you get your churro. It's fantastic. Oh, he was so embarrassed by his own generosity. It's good.
Space shuttle, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket. And watch your children. You're clear for launch.
That's the light bird.
Oye, de ahí hay que volver a entrar para sacar las cosas. No, para afuera, el locker, área en otro lado.
What did I do? Wicked.
So good.